In this session, let us learn about HTML tables Colspan and Rowspan. HTML tables can have cells that spans over multiple rows and or columns. To make cell span over multiple columns, use this Colspan attribute. See, now we are using Colspan attribute here. Colspan 2 name th. See here, border Colspan collapse. Cell that spans two columns. To make cell span more than one column, use the Colspan attribute here. By writing and executing this code, the value of the Colspan attribute represents the number of columns to the span. See the result here. Cells that spans two columns. To make a cell span more than one column, use the Colspan attribute. Now we are using Colspan attribute here, 2, like this. HTML table row span. To make a cell span over multiple rows, use this row span attribute. See here, now we are using row span attribute here. See here, a cell that spans two rows. To make a cell span more than one row, use the row span attribute. See, now we are using row span here. Row span is 2. Phone number 1234599967890. See, by writing and executing this code, the result returns this. To make cell span more than one row, use this row span attribute. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 29, Colspan and Rowspan. In next video, let us learn about another topic, table styling.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.